Okay, our next exercise is more neuro connection and motor control activation. It's not like a powerful exercise. It's not mobility. It's not stretch. It's communication with this guy, with the rest of your body. So what I'm going to do, David, just go ahead, lay down on that bowl with the belly, and kind of roll yourself exactly in this position. So what I want you to do, roll more, like down this way. Get that. Yeah, here we go. And what I want to do, I put this bowl up here, right at that butt, and I want him to start kicking with those legs, that bowl. Exactly, just like that. Yes, kicking. Fast. Here we go, look at that. And this is great exercise. What do you feel?
Oh, it really works your body.
Exactly. Why? Because he's trying to hold that bowl and let it go. Hold that bowl under the belly. No. He holding that bowl on the belly. Yeah, he can hold it too. Squeeze. Here you go. And relax. Exactly. That's fine. Squeeze again. There we go. Look at this. Exactly. He feels this in the hamstring. What a great exercise. You can do by yourself and let it go. Also neuro connection and hamstring activation. Try to do it now again. Does that help?
Yeah.
Is help, exactly. So great exercise at the gym. Here we go. He kick it out. And roll it out. Roll back up. Always help your client. If you're by yourself, like I said, make sure you don't have any condition. Always protect yourself and work with someone. You guys have a good day.